Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMedSoft Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a very useful tool provided in AgriMedSoft website named Normal Distribution Fitting. So for this tool, you go to Products segment and you go to Free Tools here and click on Distribution Calculator. So then you come to this page and you want to choose normal distribution fitting. So when you click on that, you get to this page. Here you can see some description of normal distribution and the formula, and then you want to paste a column of data here, informative Excel, text, etc. Each sample in one line. So I just go through my data and I copy them, and here I just paste them and delete the free and row. Here if you click on the D option here, you get the result. So now you see normal distribution, mu or mean is this number, and then standard deviation is this result. Again, the mean, standard deviation, and then you can see the significant is true, so it has the normal distribution. And as you can see in the plot, you can also see that it has the normal distribution. So that's it. I hope you learned something new and useful, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumb up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.